My next stop today is in a cemetery in the Elmwood section of Providence, right off of Elmwood Avenue. To me, it seems as though this cemetery has been abandoned for quite some time. It's very unkept. Kind of a shame to the people that rest here. But the reason I'm here today is for the grave of Howard D. Johnson. Howard was born in 1953, died in 1954. I think Howard was maybe 10 months old. And his mother, Maxine Johnson, was born in 1927. For some reason is not buried here. What had happened is my father was married before he married my mother when he was 22 years old. And him and Maxine had a baby that they named after my father, Howard. The baby had spina bifida and a clubfoot, but other than that, I was told it was a beautiful baby. And I never knew anything about the baby at all until about 2 years ago. I kind of found out I had a stepbrother, did a bunch of research online, and finally found the grave. Now, Howard is buried here, and Maxine isn't. From what Maxine's remaining family has told me is that she's buried in Pawtucket someplace. And the reason her name is on this headstone is because it was always her dream that when she passed away, she wanted to be buried with her son, her only son that she had. And she never got that wish, unfortunately. So what I'm here today for is I'm going to spray and clean Baby Howie's grave with wet and forget. I did this last year, and really the grave doesn't need to be maintained, it just needs to be cleaned off. So we'll douse it with wet and forget for today and move on our way. This is our way of paying a little respect. The stepbrother I never knew, and he would have been about 68 today. My older stepbrother, but I didn't know him. It doesn't mean we can't take care of his grave, right? So, to all of you that came on my adventure today, I wanted to thank you, and I hope you have a pleasant rest of your weekend. And to our friends here, rest in peace.